This is how we jive from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another testing video to see iPhone 12 base model I have at my hand. We can update to iOS 26 crystal glass version of operating system or no. Many years I haven't used this phone. I have many iPhones, so I never tried this one because currently I'm using iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's try this one can take iOS 26 or not. So unlock the phone. After unlocking, you have to go to setting option. Let's go. Here we go. In setting, you have many options. You have to go to general here. You see, go inside. In general, you see here software update. Hit this one. It will update, it will check if you have eligibility or not. Surprise, surprise, you can see iOS 26.5.2, 8 GB of software you can update. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.